Crafting your own personalized character, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our guide on how to create your very own personalized character. Whether you're an aspiring writer, artist, or in business looking to add depth to your projects, developing a unique character can be an incredibly rewarding process. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of crafting a character that truly reflects your vision and personality. Step 1. Define your character's basics. Let's start by defining the basics of your character. Meet Kevin, a 50-year-old businessman with a passion for music. Despite his professional attire and polished demeanor, Kevin's true passion lies in rock music. He has recently written his debut rock album, showcasing his hidden talent as a songwriter and musician. Step 2. Explore their backstory. Now let's delve into Kevin's backstory. Born into a family of entrepreneurs, Kevin followed in his parents' footsteps and built a successful business empire. However, music has always been Kevin's true passion, a creative outlet that allows him to express himself in ways that the business world cannot. Step 3. Develop their personality traits. Moving on to Kevin's personality traits. He is ambitious and driven, with a sharp business mind that has propelled him to success in his career. However, beneath his professional exterior, Kevin is a free spirit with a rebellious streak, longing to break free from the constraints of corporate life and pursue his musical dreams. Step 4. Define their goals and motivations. Kevin's primary goal is to share his passion for music with the world and establish himself as a respected musician in the rock genre. Motivated by the desire to prove that it's never too late to chase your dreams, Kevin is determined to make his mark on the music industry with his debut album. Step 5. Achieving the new look. Now comes the fun part, achieving Kevin's new look. As he transitions from businessman to rock star, Kevin experiments with different styles, blending elements of his professional attire with edgy rock-inspired clothing and hairstyles. Through trial and error, Kevin discovers a look that reflects his dual identity, sophisticated yet rebellious, polished yet authentic. Step 6. Give them a unique voice. In terms of Kevin's voice, he speaks with a confident and authoritative tone, honed through years of business negotiations and presentations. However, when discussing his music, Kevin's voice becomes animated and passionate, conveying his genuine love for rock music and his excitement for his upcoming album release. Step 7. Bring them to life. Finally, let's bring Kevin to life through art or writing a script. You could illustrate him in his office, surrounded by paperwork and business suits, while his guitar sits in the corner, waiting to be played. Alternatively, you could write a short story or script featuring Kevin's journey from businessman to rock star, capturing the highs and lows of his musical pursuit. Your character can come to life in so many different ways. From videos to artwork, stories, and beyond, the possibilities are endless. So take your character on new adventures and share their story with the world. Unlock your creative potential. Sign up for personalized character creation coaching today. If you're looking for guidance or support in finding the character that's exactly right for you, consider signing up for personalized character creation coaching. Our expert coaches will help you bring your vision to life and unleash your creative potential. See you soon.